channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are a returning subscriber, appreciate it. Thank you for being subscribed to me. If you clicked on this video, you have probably already seen the magic that was the WAP video. So I was feeling inspired. I seen a wig not too long ago at my local beauty supply store, and I was just like, I need to create or recreate this look because it was just so damn bomb. So that is what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna jump right into it. What we're gonna be doing is recreating this look here. I'll put the picture there, and I have this wig that I bought. So I'm gonna go through the specs of this wig. Let me fix her. Some of the specs of this wig. So it is a sister wig, sis sister wig. I'm gonna put it in the description box, the details. So it has a deep side part. It is a synthetic wig, I believe, but it's safe to flat iron or curl up to 400 degrees. It came in the color lime, and the style is Sassy HM-H Max. So I'm gonna be putting everything in the description box. But like, if you've seen the picture that I just put in the video like 5 seconds ago, you notice that the front of Cardi B's hair is lime and the back is purple. So I couldn't find a wig like that, obviously, and it's just like a little cheap synthetic wig. It was on sale. I think I paid maybe $30 for it. It was a display wig, so I just washed it off camera and I just put like Lysol in it because who knows whose head been in it. So I got it for sale because it was the display wig. But anyways, I'm gonna try to dye the back of this wig with synthetic fabric dye, and we're gonna see how that turns out. Hopefully it turns out good because I actually kind of like this wig and I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, we'll see how that turns out. So I mixed the navy blue fabric dye that I had as well as a red, tulip red fabric dye that I had. And honestly, it came out cute, but it did not come out purple. But I don't hate it. So I'm just going to keep it like this. It looks more gray than anything, honestly. But I kind of like it. So I just left it alone. I was just going to go get a purple dye and dye over it. But, I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's an inspired look, not a recreation. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows as well as half of my makeup look for my eyeshadow. All of the eyeshadow that I'm using in this video is actually from the beauty supply store, because when I do my makeup, on the rare occasion I actually do my makeup, I do not do eyeshadow at all because I don't know, I'm just lazy. So yeah, so what I'm doing is going in with this palette, and I'm going to use the lightest color under my brow, and they're all purple, as you can see from the picture. So I just used the lightest 2 colors on my brow, mix those together, and I go with a deeper plum color and I go in on my lid. Now, because this is a really cheap palette, it's not as pigmented as I would have liked it to be, but if you're working with a really cheap non-pigmented palette, you can always use like a setting spray, spray it directly on the eyeshadow, and it comes out a lot more pigmented. So this is what it looks like after I sprayed it. I'm then going to take some concealer and use it as kind of like a base on my eyelid so the lime green will pop more. I didn't use anything special. I think just the concealer I got from the beauty supply store because I think I ran out. That's why I grabbed some. And I just let that dry before I put the lime green eyeshadow on. So I'm using this little palette here. It was like $2 at the beauty supply store. Really cheap. Again, I just sprayed my setting spray on it and packed it in on that little base color on the concealer. And I used the very lightest color on in that palette. I then went back in with that little darkest color, the darkest purple that I used, and I put it in like my creases just so it can pop a little more, because I am going to be putting some neon green eyeliner on top of this eyeshadow look. So I went in with the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in color neon green, and I just, did a wing eyeliner. Nothing really crazy, just a little simple wing eyeliner. Next, I just put on my eyelashes, or my other eyelash, and I completed my makeup look from there. So this is the completed look. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And comment down below other looks that you want to see from me. Thanks so much for watching this video. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day.